Hello, Year 5, and welcome to our lesson on water. You should be in your geography workbooks, page 20. It's basically, I was hoping something a little bit more fun for you to do. The title is Who Owns Water? I'm going to read through it, okay? Daily use of water. How much water do you use in one day? So this is going to be about us, okay? Look at the information below and then work out how much water is used in one day for each activity. You may need to use a calculator, which of course means go ahead and use a calculator in this case, okay? Just going to pause a second. Okay, I've got my pencil. So the first column on the left gives us the activities. I think the one word you might not know here is watering can. That's the little thing you use. I can't think of the name in Italian. I'm really sorry. But it's a thing you use. You fill it up and you pour it out and you water. You use it maybe for plants. Well, when you've got to water the whole garden, you will use a hose. Of course, if you don't have a garden, then you probably only occasionally use a watering can. Now, what they've done is they've given us some numbers in the second column. It says average amount of water used in litres. Average, they mean in general. Okay. A more or less sort of number. And they've given you how many litres are used in a house in one day in general. Now, the only decimal we have is this one here, making a cup of tea or coffee, 0.3. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you have to think about what you do at home. You can ask an adult, of course, to help you. And you just have to put the number of times here. Now, I've chosen, what am I going to choose? I'm going to choose washing up by hand as an example. Where are we? So I'm going to say that I wash up my dishes and your plates and spoons and that 3 times a day. But you're going to fill everything here as much as you can. So what's a daily total over here? Well, we know that 6 times 3 is 18, so I'm going to put 18 here. So your goal is to fill in as much as you can here. Now, we have here further instructions. Draw a bar chart to show how the water was used. Colour the bars and write a key for the chart. That's our next step. Which activity used most water? Well, obviously, you'll be able to see that here. Which activity used least water? Again, look here. What could your family do to reduce the amount of water used? And that's up to you. We've talked about these things, and you've probably got your own ideas, and you can write them here. The next video is going to show you my bar chart.